barbecue chicken on a stick. Just like the Filipino version of the pork barbecue stick, this one is the chicken version, so it's gonna be so good. Guilt free, you can have a lot of it because it's not pork. Yeah, so let's start. Here we have 6-piece leg and thigh, so that's 6-piece drumstick, 6-piece thigh. So we got it defrosted now. I'll have my maid debone it because she does that really well and keeps the skin. So yep, here it is without the bone. It's just now we put some fish sauce. You can use salt, but we're gonna use fish sauce and about 4 cloves of pressed or crushed garlic. Don't leave this more than 30 minutes because there's no preservatives yet, or it's gonna be bad. We're at my favorite spot. That's the gazebo. My dog Eggsy. Yep. Here's the trick. This is about half a cup of ketchup, tomato sauce, and half a bottle of Royal Orange Soda. Learned this from a friend in Bulacan. Their family has been selling barbecue sticks for like 3 generations, so they know what they're doing. It's really good. Yes, and I got a video of that. I'm talking about that video last year. Here, it will be on the end screen later, a description. Okay, here we are. Now we're gonna mix it on the sauce. We're gonna pour it. This is half a cup of ketchup and half a bottle of Royal Orange Soda, all mixed up. Yes. Now we're gonna incorporate it all together with the chicken meat and the skin. It's gonna be so good. You can use your hands, so it's gonna be easier. I'm just using my spoon because I'm holding the camera phone to shoot the video for you guys. So yep, I'm doing this. Wait, let me put the phone down. Let me mix it well with my hands. Now it's here, all mixed up really good. Yes, and I used the rest of the soda. You can see here, the Royal True Orange soda drink. That's the brand name. Let me show you. So there, about 250 milliliters of Royal soda and half a cup of ketchup. This is so good. Now this you can marinate it overnight or a few hours. It's gonna be good because the soda is gonna help be the preservative, so it's gonna tenderize it really good. Yes, it's gonna be next day. But here, as we continue, before I store it, we're gonna skewer it on the sticks. Some would marinate this overnight before they do that. They put it on the stick, but I figured to make it easier for me and for everyone, we're gonna do this like this so that it's all packed good. Because I'm gonna make about 25 pieces to be brought to Bulacan with my family because I'm not going with them. I have a flu for New Year's Eve, so I'm staying at home with my brother. That's my dog Eggsy. He's checking. So he's like, anything for me? Oh well, it's December 30 right now. We're gonna do this tomorrow, so I'm just preparing it for overnight. That's for Bulacan, and this is for me and my brother because he's gonna spend New Year's Eve with his friends, but he's gonna have dinner here. So we're gonna have dinner together, and then he's gonna go. But my family, they're gonna leave around 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. to Bulacan to celebrate New Year's as is our tradition. But I can't go because I have a flu. So I'm doing this for them. I actually do this every year. So yep, here's the next day. December 31. They're off to Bulacan. They have their own stuff now. This is ketchup and oil. This is for brushing it when you're grilling so it doesn't stick. This is a nifty trick. Oh look, there's only half left. Oh, but it's on the grill. Yeah. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Wish you guys could smell this. It's to die for. Yep. And the fun part here is the chicken meat cooks really fast, so it doesn't take long like pork. And to my Muslim friends, this is perfect because it's chicken. So you guys gonna try this? It's gonna be so good. Here I tilted the grill so like you guys can see it, but also so I can see the coal where the heat is. Yep. Oh wait, now let me show you guys. Oh, that's not yet cooked, not yet. So let me show you guys how like brushing the ketchup and oil. The whole trick here is as you brush it, it seals the barbecue, so it seals the moisture inside. It keeps it staying juicy and of course preventing it from sticking on the grill. So it's a double benefit and it's so good. That is why the Filipino barbecue sticks are all juicy and always, no matter how much you cook it or how overcooked it can get, it's still juicy. It's because of this trick. And we tried it on a whole chicken or leg and thigh grilling, it did help. So you guys gotta try it. Like just half a cup of ketchup or a cup of ketchup and some oil, cooking oil. It's good for brushing. Here's the first batch. Oh yeah, me and my brother are gonna have fun having this dinner. Here it is. I counted it's 14. Okay, sorry. I ate one steak when I was grilling. Can't blame me because I can smell it. I was so hungry. So there's 14 steaks for me and my brother. We're gonna have fun. It's gonna be so good. It smells so awesome. This is something that you guys gotta try because it's chicken, not as expensive as pork. It's fun, delicious, and quite healthy. And yes, my dad sent me a picture. They're grilling those barbecue sticks I made. Here, look. Their grill looks really good, right? Fun, right? But unfortunately, I didn't get the cooked pictures because they probably ate it right away. So here's for me and my brother. 14 pieces. It was 15, became 14. Someone ate it. I don't know. Well, okay, fine. I ate it when I was grilling it, so it was so good. Yep. You can click here for the video last year of the pork barbecue. We talked about the sauce and the oranges. You can have fun watching it. Check it out after this, alright? Yeah, and thanks for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. This way you can check all the other good videos here, alright?